wow. All right, family.
We was under that tree.
My big brother was just telling me when this started, this game has been going on, I wonder what, probably 30 years or more.
Yeah.
We don't know exactly how long the game been going on.
Todd was in the back. I brought Todd here, and he was laying down in my back seat. Todd is 40-some years, 46
The game was going on.
So it's got to be, it's got to be over 45 years.
So the game was going on years ago, but nobody was tailgating.
Right.
My brother said him and our cousin were probably one of the first ones to ever tailgate. They were out here by themselves under a tree.
Under the oak tree right over there.
Way over yonder way. And that's the stadium through there.
At the entrance. Yeah.
And nobody else was tailgating. And I guess y'all probably gave them an idea. Y'all planted the seed.
Well, we came back. There were more. Then it started more and more.
Wow. See what my man working with.
Y'all done missed that garbage bag below and all that like that. It's a garbage bag. Come on,
What are you doing a garbage bag?
Marinate that.
So he marinated in a garbage bag? All right, I ain't mad at it. No, he told me about cooking the sausage in the bag. I ain't never seen that shit before. What's that about?
Keep all the juices in the motherfucker good, bro.
And it cooking don't hurt the bag don't melt or nothing? Get the gun. You know how I do it? Yeah. No, I'm gonna do breakfast. I'm doing all my sausage and I'm gonna do late and then I'm gonna do eggs. Is that I guess the eggs that we make off the bottom of the other we did. All right, I just did. You want me to get a plate? Yeah. How many you want? Hey, I'll make sure those are on steak. Hey, are those our eggs for the morning? Yeah. All right. Eggs?
Yeah, you want to cook it up.
It don't matter. I can do them on there. I use that grease.
Yeah, do what you do.
All right.
Trust me, I ain't gonna stop your phone. I'm mine over there, yours over there.
You know I got this, babe. I'm gonna need one of them silver trays. I think he got some more.
didn't have no coffee standing talking to me. But the coffee was up here by Junior. Junior made the coffee. Coffee is up here. We got to make another pot. Look like it's just about, if you don't come on, it's about maybe another cup. But coffee, we've been drinking coffee.
Yeah. If the other cooler goes, just set the bread on the floor. Let's do it.
What y'all looking for?
We got enough room.
What y'all looking for?
You know me. I keep one with me at all times. Never know when you're going to run into some water.
Me too. I got to have something. Something in my stomach.
Make it happen, baby. It's
Well,
right
I go
over here.
crazy. Oh, yeah. Oh, he got
Let me get your file.
got a fork right there. Thank you, man.
Boom.
Y'all got the same coffee?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, I got one in my pocket.
You got some in there, I'm fine.
I keep one. Right now.
Okay. Need some? Damn type of
I keep one.
Oh, I get some on the table right there. Right there. Small one.
Excuse me. How you doing this morning?
Great, and you?
Well. How you doing?
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Rep.
Good morning.
This is my brother here. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
My
baby brother. Okay.
He the one doing the cooking.
Oh. Woo.
Oh, is the egg ready, huh?
Almost.
Almost all the way. You gonna go with my cook?
What's up? Who we got?
This Rodell
Come on. What up, baby?
That's my old brother Tiger.
All right. No, man, I had left. Well, you probably, how old are you?
58, 59.
Yeah, see, he right behind me. I'm 60. So yeah, when I was running around the projects and stuff and hanging out.
I
Yeah.
remember that though.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. I just left our son's house.
Okay.
Yeah, he live in LaGrange.
LaGrange, Georgia?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Man, I'm coming to this home.
Yeah, man. I thought I recognized that face. You know who he remind me of though? My partner Charles Hardiman.
Yep.
He remind me a little bit of Charles. That's how I cook.
I grabbed anything.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We'll make it work, baby.
Go ahead, Chef. Go ahead.
We'll make it work.
I like nothing no more.
Right. Go ahead. Let it bread right there.
No, knock yourself out.
Over here. Where's it got the fried egg? I think I want to get that egg.
Man, every time you mess with that ice, you scare me. I think something done dumped over.
I think something done jumped over.
I knew you did. I knew you did. That's why they're asking that.
He got what with there.
I went with the good flat, with the good
That's some mustard.
thick stuff first.
I'm waiting on this hard egg.
I got you coming, baby.
Ain't no ketchup up here. some down there somewhere.
Right here.
Yeah, that's the one I want right there. Let's cook hard.
All right.
Put that egg.
Them color folks on the fatty.
That boy, them colorful soda. Some of them colorful soda fatty. No wait on me. They ain't dropped on me. I eat this here. I'm ready to go in.
You good to go after that?
Yeah, I got to go and take that shot in them pills.
Okay. I got to take my blood pressure and cholesterol pills as soon as I finish.
I got to do that too.
Yep.
I ain't got no cholesterol pills.
Oh, you got off of it?
Yeah, they put me on too. I used to take them twice a damn day, one in the morning and one in the evening.
Really?
Them damn cholesterol pills. It took me off that shit, bro. I started doing a lot of walking. When I eat, I don't sit down. I go walking.
Yeah. I ride my bike too.
Oh, you ride your bike?
Yep.
You got some?
I mean, you got it for me right there. I do push hard. Hey. I told you got it for me right there. Hey, you didn't need it. That nigga pushed me right the goddamn way.
Oh, you think it's ready?
Yeah, it's good enough.
All right.
That's good. Put me on like the damn way like it wasn't there. Get out the way. It wasn't there. Tell me they offer me. Look at
Brother-in-law, you ready?
Yeah, that one right there.
Right here? All right.
Look at it. He's jumping now. He's jumping now. You ready?
We need another egg.
I need one.
That's not hard enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it hard.
Yeah, make it work, baby.
There we go. I'm gonna make it work.
All right. Hold on, let's get you this one right here. All right.
Oh, yeah.
You want a bigger?
Lady told him up in one here. Ain't no way you gonna make that happen.
Really? She didn't believe it?
You didn't believe him.
And what did he do?
Did I have two
Made it happen.
Mm-hmm. And so I constantly last time I seen Roselle, I was looking North Carolina and said, "Give me a stop through going to Philadelphia." And he said, "Man, when you see Roselle," he said, "I'm gonna give you your number."
Okay, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Man, you know we go way back.
I know, bro.
McDonald's, boy. What? That's where I learned these skills at.
Oh yeah.
Boy, good seeing you.
You too, boy.
Oh, excuse me. All right, sorry about that. Hey, Bridge, that's what y'all were telling me about, the Apple Pay or whatever. And
Yeah. You got Google Pay?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of places take that now because I think it's just easier.
I didn't know if a vendor would have it out here, though. Because you got to have the internet and all that.
That's my say. And they got to have that special, like, you got to have a special, like, machine. So, it depends. I feel like a younger person probably have it.
That was
A little bigger size one over there, too.
That's what kind of surprised me that they had it out here with like internet or
I
whatever.
think it's easier, though, for them to just...
When I go get gas now, I put my phone up to the, and I get it with my phone.
You use your phone now? I never tried. I always put my card out. They want
Call me when y'all put in the gate. I take it.
All right. What is that? Oh, for car scent.
Yeah, car scent. Put it in your car. It smells real good.
Oh, they don't come with that.
Well, that would spend my money on.
Lord.
But the boys got their stuff going back there, but that's how you do it right there.
Right now. Yeah, that looks good.
Yep.
Probably got some good food still.
Oh yeah.
I wonder, we might need to go to the bathroom, whatever.
All right, fam. It's about 9:30 at night. I'm all tucked in nice and snugly in my sleeping bag in the Jeep. My brother is in his truck right next to me. I happen to have my gray blanket, and he only has his jacket. It's kind of cold out, so I was able to give my 75-year-old brother my blanket, and he is nice and secure. Made me feel so good inside. All right, family. I know I probably already closed this video out probably more than once. For the night 2, or day 2 of, and I don't know exactly what we're calling this video, but tailgating in Columbus. All right, family, y'all take care, and we'll see y'all in the morning. Peace.